Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video we're going to be comparing Helium 10 versus Jungle Scout. Which tool is the best for Amazon sellers? As an Amazon seller, one of the biggest challenges that you may face is staying ahead of the constant changes and updates on Amazon's platform. And that explains the rise of Amazon software tools. However, there are millions of options out there, and each one is claiming to be the best and most essential for your business. And that's why in this video I'm going to dive deep and compare two of the biggest competitors in the Amazon tools space, Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. So let's kick things off with the all-important pricing factor. Both platforms essentially come with three main plans. As Helium 10's starter plan goes for $39 per month when billed monthly, and you would have the option to save up to 25% when billed annually. On the other hand, Jungle Scout's first plan, the basic plan, starts at $49 per month, which is $10 more expensive than the Helium 10's starter plan. However, when taking a look at the highest tier that Helium 10 offers, the Diamond plan goes for $279 per month, which is significantly more expensive than Jungle Scout's professional plan that only goes at $129 per month. And now you might be wondering why the price disparity. And for that, the reason is simple. Helium 10 offers a more comprehensive suite of features and tools, which allows them to charge a premium price. But don't worry, we are going to get into the specifics of these features shortly. But when comparing the price to value ratio between these two platforms, we will need to look at Helium 10's Platinum plan, which is the most comparable for Jungle Scout's Suite and Professional plan. And before we move on, I want to mention a great deal that you can take advantage of. By using the link in the description below or the coupon code ThriveMedia20, you can get a 20% off for 6 months when using this code for Helium 10 plans, or you can enter ThriveMedia10 at checkout and get 10% off every month. So you could potentially get the Helium 10 Platinum plan for only $80 per month for 6 months, which puts the Platinum plan at a much closer price to the Suite plan for Jungle Scout, making it a much more attractive offer. Moving on, let's talk about the historical keyword data. One of my biggest issues with Jungle Scout is the limitation on historical keyword data access. To get more than 1 month's worth of data, which in my opinion is practically useless, you would need to subscribe to their $129 per month professional plan. Let's talk about why having access to historical data is so crucial. When you're researching a potential product to sell on Amazon, you need to understand its long-term viability, whether it's a passing trend or a seasonal item, and if it has consistent growth patterns or not. Having only 1 month of data does not give you enough information to make an informed decision. So ideally, you would want to have access to at least 2 years worth of data, if not even more. And this is why Helium 10 shines in my opinion. With their Platinum plan, you can get access to historical keyword data going all the way back to 2019. And this wealth of information is invaluable for analyzing trends, spotting seasonality patterns, and understanding a product's growth over an extended period. On the other hand, Jungle Scout's professional plan only allows you to go back to 2021 or 2022 at best. And personally, this is a deal breaker. Having limited historical data means that you're operating with incomplete information, which could lead to poor decision making and ultimately lost sales or revenue. Next up, let's talk about filtering and product research capabilities. Those are absolutely essential for finding profitable product opportunities. And for this case, Helium 10 offers a significantly more extensive range of filters compared to Jungle Scout, allowing you to narrow down your search criteria with greater precision. For example, let's say that you're looking for a product that meets specific criteria, such as a certain price range, bestseller rank, review count, or even specific keywords in the title or the description. With Helium 10's advanced filtering options, you can quickly refine your search to match your exact requirements, saving you countless hours of manual sorting and sifting through irrelevant results. The more filters available, the more specific you can get with your product research. And this is a game changer for someone like me who values efficiency and accuracy. After all, time is money in the Amazon game, and having the right tools to streamline your processes can give you a significant competitive edge. Now, one area where Helium 10 shines even more is their new page 1 keyword niche summary feature. This is a massive feature that Jungle Scout does not even offer, and this feature has completely changed the game for my product research process. And here is how it works. Let's say that you're interested in selling tongue scrapers on Amazon. When you search for that keyword using Helium 10's tools, it will give you a complete breakdown of that entire niche. You'll get to see all the products currently ranking on the first page, the revenue estimates, revenue share within that niche, and most importantly, the search volume data. But it doesn't stop there. Helium 10 provides you with search volume data for the last 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, and even all the time data going back to 2019. Again, this level of historical data is invaluable of identifying trends and the overall growth potential of a niche. It completely takes the guesswork out of the equation and gives you a data-driven approach to product research. In addition to the niche summary tool, Helium 10's Chrome extension is a game changer in itself. It's incredibly user-friendly and packed with features that seamlessly integrate with Amazon's platform. With just a few clicks, you can access tools like Cerebro for reverse ASIN lookup, Listing Analyzer for optimizing your product listings, competitor tracking, review analysis, and even finding suppliers on Alibaba. Now, Jungle Scout does have a Chrome extension, and while it's functional, it doesn't quite match up in terms of seamless integration and the sheer breadth of features offered by Helium 10. Another significant advantage of Helium 10 is the sheer number of tools that they offer. There are over 25 different tools that you can regularly use within the Helium 10 platform, compared to about 17 offered by Jungle Scout. There are a few standout tools that Jungle Scout does not offer or doesn't offer as effectively that I want to highlight. The first one is the market feedback tool. This feature is an absolute game changer for validating your product ideas before investing significant resources. With market feedback, you can run split tests and get real feedback from genuine consumers on various aspects of your product. This includes images, packaging designs, color options, and so much more. And this tool alone can potentially save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars by allowing you to refine and optimize your products based on real market feedback rather than relying solely on guesswork or personal preferences. And it's that level of validation that can make or break a product launch, and having access to it within the Helium 10 platform is just invaluable. The second essential tool in my opinion is the index checker. Being indexed on Amazon is crucial for your product's discoverability. If your product is not indexed for relevant keywords, it doesn't matter how much optimization or marketing you do, your listing simply won't show up in the search results and you'll be leaving a lot of potential sales and revenue on the table. So having a tool like the index checker allows you to verify whether your product is properly indexed for specific keywords, giving you the ability to identify and address any indexing issues before they become a more significant problem. I've seen far too many sellers, especially those new to Amazon, struggle with poor sales or visibility simply because their products were not indexed correctly. And finally, if you're an established seller looking to scale your business to new heights, Helium 10 offers the Diamond Plan, which includes advanced add-ons like Helium 10 Atomics, which is a powerful PPC software that other companies charge hundreds of dollars for it as a standalone product. So with the Diamond Plan, you can get access to Atomics and all of the other advanced tools for just about $279 per month, giving you significant cost advantage compared to purchasing these tools separately from other providers. So in conclusion, while both Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are excellent tools in their own right, my recommendation is to go with Helium 10 hands down. It offers so many more features, better value for money, and a user-friendly interface. Not to mention all of the invaluable tools like the niche summary, market feedback, and index checker that the competitors just simply don't provide. So if you've been using Helium 10 for your product analysis, go ahead and let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.